Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do a DIY for you. You know I love using all natural products, and if I can make them homemade, even better, using ingredients around my house or ingredients that I can multi-purpose for various DIYs or homemade cleaning products or beauty products. So today we're going to make a DIY lavender pillow or linen spray. I like to use this, and also I like to gift this to others. This spray uses lavender, which is calming and relaxing. I like to freshen up my sheets and my pillows with this right before bed or first thing in the morning. It just gives it a fresh, crisp scent, and there's no harmful ingredients. And literally there's only 3 ingredients. So it's super simple. Put a little bow around it just like I have here, and you can gift it. You can put it in a gift basket and do a bunch of little things with it and give it as a gift. So let me take you along and show you how to make this. And if you love DIY videos and all natural things, give me a thumbs up, and in the comments below let me know if there's another DIY or homemade product that you want me to make in the future, and I'll make sure I get a video for you. I hope you hit that subscribe button to see more videos from me in the future, and let's get started. Okay, so for this DIY spray, you're going to need twine, a bottle to house it, lavender essential oil, filtered water, and sea salt. I also am making labels. I printed this off simply on my computer, and I printed it off in color, and here I'm using a cutter to cut them down to size to fit on my spray bottle. And I'm making several of these because I'm going to make a few of these for gifts, and I like to have them on hand so when I run low, or I make them as gifts or whatnot. So that is what I'm doing here. I love the smell of lavender, but I love the calming effects it brings to me. Lavender smell can make you feel drowsy, but it lowers your heart rate and blood pressure, putting you in a relaxed state. This DIY linen and pillow spray is so perfect for spraying on your bedding about an hour before bedtime if you want something to help you unwind and sleep well. So on your spray bottle, you want to place a label or label it in some sort of way. This bottle I'm using is a 4-ounce glass bottle. You can purchase these on Amazon or any craft or hobby store. And here I'm putting one of my DIY labels right on top. I'm going to unscrew the top and add a pinch of my sea salt to the bottom of the glass bottle. Then next I'm going to put in my lavender essential oils. This is about 15 drops, give or take, or 25 depending on the size of the bottle. Then I'm going to fill the rest of the bottle with my filtered water. I'm going to leave a little bit from the top so it doesn't overflow. Screw on the cap, add some beautiful twine, and give it a good shake. Finally, you're going to spray on your pillows or blankets or sheets, anywhere that you want that calming and relaxing feel. If you enjoy DIY videos, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and remember to hit that subscribe button.